MLOps-Basics. There is nothing magic about magic. The magician merely understands something simple, which doesn't appear to be simple or natural to the untrained audience. Once you learn how to hold a card while making your hand look empty, you only need practice before you, too, can do magic. Jeffrey Friedel in the book Mastering Regular Expressions. Note, please raise an issue for any suggestions, corrections, and feedback. The goal of the series is to understand the basics of MLOps, like model building, monitoring, configurations, testing, packaging, deployment, CI/CD, etc. Week 0, Project Setup. The project I have implemented is a simple classification problem. The scope of this week is to understand topics like getting data, processing data, defining data loaders, declaring the model, training the model, and doing inference. The tech stack used includes Hugging Face datasets, Hugging Face transformers, PyTorch Lightning. Week 1, Model monitoring, weights and biases. Tracking experiments and tuning hyperparameters is crucial for developing better models. This week focuses on configuring logging with weights and biases, computing metrics, logging them, adding plots and data samples. Tech stack includes weights and biases, torch metrics. Week 2, Configurations. Hydra configuration management is essential for complex software systems. Understanding Hydra basics, overriding configurations, and running models with different parameter combinations is the goal this week. Hydra is the tech stack used. Week 3, Data version control. DVC handling large files in ML is crucial. Topics include DVC basics, remote storage configuration, saving models, and versioning models using DVC. DVC is the tech stack used. Week 4, Model packaging. ONX understanding ONX, converting models to ONNX format, ONX runtime, and running ONNX models is the focus. ONNX and ONX runtime are the tech stacks used. Week 5, Model packaging. Docker. Docker is essential for packaging applications to resolve dependency issues. Topics include Fast API, Docker basics, building Docker containers, and Docker Compose. Week 6, CI/CD, GitHub Actions. Continuous integration and deployment minimize human intervention in the coding process. This week covers setting up GitHub Actions, creating a service account, configuring DVC, and GitHub Actions setup. Week 7, Container Registry, AWS ECR, storing container images in AWS ECR, integrating AWS S3 as remote storage in DVC, basics of S3, and programmatic access to S3 is the focus. Week 8, Serverless deployment. AWS Lambda serverless architecture and deploying containers using AWS Lambda are covered, along with automating deployments using GitHub Actions. Week 9, Prediction monitoring. Kibana monitoring ML models is vital for detecting errors. CloudWatch logs, Elasticsearch, and Kibana basics are discussed for prediction monitoring.